Hello and welcome to the May product release video for Mandata Go TMS. In this product release video, we will be showcasing the following new features for Mandata Go TMS. Load start times, deleting signatures from jobs, invoicing before delivery, and hiding invoices in the web portal. It's now possible to set a load start time on loads in the job planner, providing you with greater visibility of job delivery timings. These new load start times are used to calculate planned ETAs, another new feature in this release, giving advanced visibility of when a driver is expected to arrive at a location during the planning phase. It's also easy to see if you can deliver on time when your customer expects. The actual ETAs will still be visible once the driver begins using the navigation app at the start of the day's work. To be able to use these new load start times, you will need to set it up. First, go to My Business and search for Default Load Start Time and input the start time you require. In this demonstration, I'm inputting that the driver needs to be on the yard for 7 o'clock AM. These new load start times can be added to your slot planner if needed, so that your planners can easily see the start time for each slot. If you want these start times to be visible on your slot planner, like you can see on mine, simply go to your menu and search for Load Cell Content Configuration. Then, once here, click Add to create a new configuration, and then click the plus sign to the right of the screen and add a new row. Once here, select the style and colour you want and then go to the text field like you can see me doing in the video. Search in the fields for load start time and then add a label to the front of it if you require by inputting the text and a space in front of the @load start time text. Once this is complete, go to your job planner and click on the cog button, scroll down to slot template and select the cell configuration you just created. The slot will now be updated like you see in the video. Please note that you must then save the layout by clicking the floppy disk icon in the top left hand corner. These new load start times don't have to be just limited to the first slot. On your slot planner, under the cog button of the planning pane, it's possible to set default start times for each slot. Scroll down to your slot timings table and input your start times for each slot. The slot start and end times will then be shown in the slot headings like in the video. If you don't want the start time of a specific load to be the default, right-click on the load and select Start and End Information from the screen. The load start time can then be set manually using the first field. Finally, a planned ETA column can be added to the load stops grid, which will allow planners to see immediately the current planned arrival time for the driver at each stage of the load. To add this field, simply double click on the load and then click on the spanner in the top corner like in the video and add planned ETAs to your column list. It's now possible to delete signatures from jobs within the TMS, giving you greater flexibility to deal with any issues that may arise during the signature capture process. This action is useful if your driver ever collects a signature against the wrong job record, or in some cases if something inappropriate has been written in the signature box without the driver realising, and you don't want to send this signature to your customer on printed paperwork. Please note this feature only works for admin users, so you don't need to worry about planners accidentally deleting signatures. To delete a signature, as an admin user, simply open the job record and navigate to Stages at the top, and then from the tabs below select Proof Details. Here you'll find signatures. If you're an admin user, there should be a small X in the top right hand corner of the signature box. Click this and you'll be asked if you're sure you want to delete. If you select yes, then the signature will then be removed like in the video. It's now possible with newly added options to send invoices before a delivery even takes place. This gives you more flexibility to send invoices before the job if needed. This is useful, for example, if you buy goods directly rather than just paying for the haulage of those goods. Or alternatively, it could be beneficial for hauliers who use a subscription service where a customer needs goods transported regularly and they pay in advance for the haulier to turn up at the same time every day or week. To set up this new invoicing feature, go to your menu and navigate to My Business and search for Allow Invoicing of Undelivered Jobs, and then click Save. This will allow the feature for all company jobs. To enable the feature for a specific customer, then go to the Customer section in your TMS. Select a customer and then go to the Financials tab. Down at the bottom there will be an option to allow invoicing of undelivered jobs. Likewise, if you want to just do this for a specific work type, then search for work types, select the work type you want to apply it to, and then select the Allow Invoicing of Undelivered Jobs at the bottom again. We have also now made it possible to hide invoices for customers on the web portal for all customers or just specific ones. This gives you greater control and flexibility when dealing with invoices. For example, this is useful for managing credit terms and payment cycles by allowing customers to only see the invoices when you're ready for them to. Likewise, it enables you to be able to address any errors that may have arisen before the customer can see the invoice and raise a dispute. To restrict access for customers for your invoices in your customer portal, simply go to My Business and search for Do Not Display Invoices in the portal. As you can see in the before and after videos, the invoice screen is previously accessible before the option is selected, but then once selected, they now no longer have access to that screen. If you only want to turn off this option for specific customers, you can do so by going to that customer record and then to their website section and selecting Hide Invoices from the Display Invoice in Portal option. If you have any questions regarding this release, please contact your Customer Success Manager at csm@mandata.co.uk. Also, we'd love to hear what you think about the new updates, so please consider following the link in the email to leave some feedback and then enter the draw for a chance of winning a £25 Amazon gift voucher. Thanks for watching.